Hello, my name is Daniel. Today we're reading Snore by Michael Rosen and Jonathon Langley. So get comfy and I'll begin. All was quiet on the farm. Dog was asleep. Cat was asleep. Cow was asleep. Sheep was asleep. Pig was asleep. And so were all the piglets. It was all so peaceful till... And Cat woke up. Cow woke up. Sheep woke up. Pig woke up, and so did all the piglets. It was so loud, no one could sleep, not cat or cow or sheep or pig, nor all the piglets. How can we get Dog to stop snoring so we can all get back to sleep? Said Cat. I know, said Cow, and Cow went up to Dog and went, "Oh, tissue!" right down his ear. I know, said Sheep, and Sheep went up to Dog and went, "Boo!" right down his ear. I know, said Pig, and Pig went up to Dog and went, "Hee hee!" right down his ear, and all the piglets went, "Hee hee! Hee hee!" I know, said Cat. Why don't we sing to him? Maybe that'll stop him snoring, and we can all get back to sleep. So Cat went, and Cow went, "Moo, moo, 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 moo." And Sheep went, "Ba, ba, 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 ba." And Pig went, "Oink, oink, 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 oink." And all the piglets went, "Oink, oink, 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 oink." Then, as the sun rose over the trees, Rooster woke up with a cock-a-doodle-doo, and Dog woke up with a harumph. And off he trotted down the road after his good night's sleep. But Cat and Cow and Sheep and Pig and all the piglets were so tired they fell asleep. Thanks for listening. See you next time.